Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making animals in the forest scenery. So let's get started. We'll start by making a tiger. So for the face, we are making a circular shape, 2 semicircles for the ears, 2 slanting lines for the eyes, and we will make 2 semicircles below the slanting line. We'll make 2 slanting lines for the nose and a triangular shape for the bottom of the nose. You can color inside the eyes if you like, but here I won't be coloring in the drawing, so that's why I'm coloring. But if you are coloring, I would recommend to use a green color, and then 2 C's and whiskers, 2 semicircles for the nostrils, and I'm making the squarish type of face to give it the right tiger face. And we will make some triangular shapes, and we'll take one line down and the other one we'll take to the right side and then bring it down. 2 slanting lines for the legs and a tick line, a tick shape for the stomach. The paw shape will be like shoes. We'll go with a simple one. And we are showing 2 legs hidden at the back, and we'll make the tail which will be curved the back, because tigers don't have hair. Now for the paws, I'm making these C shapes, and then I'm making the stripes which look like triangles. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll also make some stripes, these triangles on the tail. And after we are done with this, I am going to be making an elephant. So for that, first I'm making an E shape. Now the down part of the E will become its trunk, and at the end we'll make a 3 or an M, and the extra line will become the tusk. A leaf shape for the eyes, semicircle for the eyeball, one big ear and one more which is slightly hidden, a V shape for the lower lip, and a straight line. Now from basically the middle of the ear, we'll make the body, we'll take it down and we will double to make legs. A big curve shape for the tummy, and 2 legs are hidden at the back. A tail, and an elephant's tail has hair at the end. Semicircles for the nails. We'll erase that E line and join it with the lower lip. You can do a little bit shading on the elephant if you're not coloring. After this, I am making grass. So for that, I'm taking my pencil up and down. So you can see the grass look like triangular shapes type of, and then a line at the back to show the ground and the sky. So I'm making some trees. I'm making a branch coming from this tree, and here I'm going to show that there is a snake around it. So we will make 4 lines and then make curves at the end and make the snake's face here in this type of shape, as you can see. 2 slanting lines for the eyes and 2 curved lines for the tongue. We'll make its tail and then we'll erase all the extra lines in between. After we are done, we'll make its scales or like these patterns, circular patterns, and we will make another tree. Because it's a forest, you can make as many trees as you like. Forests are dense. After this, I'm making some bushes in front of the tree, and they are different from the grass I made. You can also erase the extra lines you can see in the between. And I am making one more snake in the ground using the same method, but this time the snake isn't coiled around a tree branch. It's moving around, and I am making the scales or the patterns as semicircles. I'm making a sun in the corner. And I am adding one more tree here. You can add more trees. I wanted to make my forest look dense. I'm making some curves on the trees and a spiral shape. And after this, our drawing is done. You can outline and color it if you want as well. Thanks for watching. And bye.